Hey guys, it is Beauty by Jessica Lee, and I am here today to show you the new Jouer Jet Set collection. I actually got this maybe a week or two ago. I filmed it, but I didn't like the quality, so I'm trying again in better lighting and with a new camera. So let me know if you see a difference. But anyway, Jouer just launched their new collection. It came out with a bunch of lip sets, bronzer palettes, an eye palette, eyeliner. Why don't I just show you? Up here there are 4 different lip palettes. Each one includes a lip liner, a lip cream, and a lip topper. Then there is a highlighter. There are 2 bronzer palettes, a reformulated Kitten Liner, the Essential Jet Set Matte Shadow Palette, and this is one of their new little baggies. It came out with 3 limited edition ones, and so I figured I would try out this matte palette for you, put on some bronzer, eyeliner, and the lip products so you can see how they all work. So let me first show you the products. Here is the Jouer Matte Jet Set Palette. It comes with Cloud 9, Check-In, Carry On, Runway, First Class, and Black Card. It also comes with this little brush. We are going to use this brush. Usually I'm not a huge fan of them, but you know, Jouer usually is pretty functional, so hopefully that'll be great. 2 bronzer palettes. We have this one, which is in Sunlight and Suntan. And then we have, and that one was for medium to light. And then we have medium to deep, and this is, this is Sun-Kissed and Sunset. Nope, I think that was wrong. This is Sun-Kissed and this is Sunset. And this is for medium to deep. We have the Celestial Highlighter. And then we've got 4 lip kits, and I'm going to actually see if I could try all of them on for you. This is the La Nude lip kit, La Pearl lip kit, La Rose lip kit, and La Bae lip kit. So I'm going to zoom you in on my eyes, and we're going to get started on this look. This is kind of freaking me out, guys. I've never ever come this close on a camera before, but since I have my new camera, good thing I got my eyebrows waxed kind of recently. So I already did my brows. I have some concealer on. My brows are Benefit brows. These are what the shades look like. I actually really love these neutral shades. So I'm going to start with this nude color all over my lid. And I am also using the Jouer brush that it comes with. I'm going to take that medium brown, and I'm just going to kind of place it in that outer half. Now, if you were in a pinch, I think this would be a great brush. However, I feel like I need like a fluffy brush to just like blend it all out. But this is actually it's a very nice, precise brush is what it is. All right, let me go get a fluffy brush. Okay, so this is a brush from Eco Tools, and it says my name on it. I'm just gonna kind of blend that out. It actually blends out very effortlessly, which I like. This is like so precise. Can you see how precise that is? Use that black, kind of put it in my lash line area. Deepen that. Now, usually for me, matte blacks like don't show up on my lids, so it's impressively showing up on my lid. Like, as you can see, like, the colors are quite pigmented. There isn't too much fallout actually either, as you could see, so looking good. Okay, and now let me try on, this is the new formulated Kitten Liner. I'm not sure what is new about it, but the last Kitten Liner didn't really work on my eyes very well. Like, it ended up like over here. So let's try this out and see if it is better. So what I will do is probably take, ooh, this is nice and juicy, is take a picture of what my eyes look like at the end of the night. So you can see, if the liner like fell off my lids or whatever. I will say though, it is very easy to get a very precise line. Super easy to apply, super sharp, and you can get it thick here, but you can get it really thin in other places, which I really like. It dries matte, so that's nice. All right, so done with my eyes, liking it. We're gonna be using this palette, and this is the Sunlight Suntan Light to Medium Duo. Super natural but buildable. And then I'm going to use a little bit of this, which is the Jouer Adore Blush Duo. And then we're going to try out the Celestial Powder Highlight. I'm gonna add a little bit on top here. So that's what my face looks like. So I only have time to put on the nude one because that's the one I was going to use anyway. But let's start with the lip liner. They're super duper soft, so it doesn't pull or tug on your lips. And then this lip is in Au Natural. And then this is the lip topper in Stardust. Let me show you the second one, and this is in Pink Champagne. Start with that lip color. Is in Opal. And then the lip topper in that kit is the Funfetti. Like, how pretty is that? Super fun. And so this is what the pearl set looks like. The next set is the rose set, and the lip pencil is in Petal. This is such a pretty color. The lip cream is in Peony. And then lastly, the topper is in Rose Fizz. And this is the Rose Kit. And then this last kit is the Labai or Labai, I'm not really sure how to pronounce it, set. And it's more of like a berry-ish lip set. And so this pencil is in Aubergine. Ooh, this is really pretty. Like, I would usually not put this much lip liner on if I'm putting on a lip color, but I did want you to see what color it looked like. And then we have Blackberry. This one's really pretty. I don't remember ever seeing this color. And then lastly, I'm gonna put the Sugar Berry lip topper on. I left the house at 10:30 and now it is 5:50. This is how my lips have lasted throughout the day, which is really nice. Blush, bronzer, still good. I wanted to show you the eyeshadows, still good, intact. Let's take a look here. My under eye area, like I do my makeup just as I usually do it. And you can see a little bit of the black, but the liner is still really good, which last time it wasn't. And you can see a little bit black, but it's not that bad. This one is a little worse. You could see the black a little bit here, but it's not too much different than one of my favorite like black liners. My lids are oily, something's oily that it always gets under my eyes. So I would say this is pretty good for lasting the full day on my under eye area, especially since the liner still looks really, really crisp and sharp. And usually like when I go like this, it comes off, but it didn't really come off. So I would say it's pretty good. So again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this and enjoyed these lip swatches. I'm really digging this color right now. So yeah, definitely pick up the Jouer Jet Set collection. Let me know which items were your favorite. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, hit that notification and subscribe button. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.